Hello, Minot. Mr. Filippo here. Today I'm going to show you how to use your camera to take a picture, to upload that to an assignment in Classroom, and to turn the assignment in. So here I am, a student in my demo class, and I see that there is an assignment due tomorrow. I'm going to select that assignment. Once I select that assignment, I see that it is called Main Character Reader Response. Let's check out the directions. Use the Chromebook camera app to take a picture of the cover of the book you are currently reading. Attach the picture by using the Add a File option. In the class comment section, write 3 sentences describing the main character. Okay, so there's a few things I need to do in order to be able to mark this assignment as done. I have to use the camera app to take a picture of the cover of my book. I have to attach that picture using the Add a File option. And then in the class comments section, I have to write 3 sentences describing the main character. So let me get started by taking a picture with my camera app. The camera app is located in the Apps Launcher down in the corner on the left bottom corner. I select the launcher. You may see the camera app right away if you've been using it. If you don't see it, you can search for it and Google will find it for you. But you'll notice that since I've used it before, it's listed right here. So I'm going to turn the camera on. And when I turn the camera on, it's facing me. I happen to have a Chromebook that you can turn the camera facing outwards. But I have to take a picture of the cover of my book, so it's better facing me. I can hold up my book, make sure I get it nice and centered, or at least make sure that I have the author and the title, the entire cover. If I need to move back a little to get it, I can. Forward a little. If I don't want my face in the picture, I can put it in front of my face. And then I'm using this button right here, this gray button, take a photo. When I do that, it puts it in a gallery. So I'm going to show you one way to get it from the gallery into your assignment. There are multiple ways, but here is one way. I can close this now, and I have to add a file. See that? Add a file. When I click File, it brings me this box and it says select the file from your device. So I need to go in and select the picture from my device. Luckily, I just took the picture, so it's going to be easy to find. When I click the Select the File button, it brings up a bunch of pictures. The one that I just most recently took is always on top because it goes by date and time. So the most recent one is here. I know that's the one I need. So I'm going to select it. And then I'm going to click Open. When I do that, it adds the picture right here. And then I need to upload it. Could I add more than one picture? Sure can. Just have to do add more files and go through the same process. You'll see all the pictures listed here. And then you can upload. I see it uploading here under my work. There it is, it's attached. But I'm not done yet. In the class comments section, write 3 sentences describing the main character. Okay, class comments. So the main character of my book is a man. He is a teacher. He has a whole bunch of experience. Okay, 1 sentence, 2 sentences, 3 sentences. And then I have to post my comments. This little arrow right here is post. It's kind of like enter, right? Okay, I've taken my picture, I've uploaded it as a file, I've written my 3 sentences in the comments. Now I'm ready to turn it in. Here's our turn in button. One attachment will be submitted. Turn it in. Here I have turned in my assignment successfully.